Question pa number Jody. So, you've done horror films naman in the past, like Apparition, Marina. Pero nung natanggap mo itong script or yung offer na ito, ano yung nag-stand out sa'yo? And what do you think will be the difference this time around?
Actually, this is my fourth, if not fifth, horror film na nagawa ko sa career ko. But it is my first horror film with Regal. And it's actually my first film with them. So thank you so much. So just the backstory. I grew up watching talaga yung mga Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Regal Shocker, di ba, reveal na ng age. So, parang when I became an actor, parang sabi ko, sana one day I get to work with Regal Films. And then, it happened. Thank you so much, Mr. Sel. Thank you very much, Sir Keith. Ayan. So, I think yung difference niya from the horror films that I've done before, kasi yung iba mostly ghost-centered or demon-centered, especially when I did Clarita back in 2019 with Derek Abrido. But this one has a lot of psychological tension into it. So I guess that's also the reason why I said yes to the project. Maganda rin talaga yung script. And for me, sige, sasabihin natin horror film siya. But I believe na marami siyang masasagot na internal questions sa atin, like what are you willing to give in exchange for your soul? Yeah, thank you.
Sabi nga sa tagline, like mentioned kanina, matakot ka sa sarili mo. Ano yung thoughts mo about that tagline and ikaw ba anong kinatatakutan mo?
Oh my gosh, I truly believe na I think we all have demons. Meron tayong mga bagay sa sarili natin na ayaw nating lumabas. May mga bagay tayo sa sarili natin na gusto nating i-deny at ayaw nating i-acknowledge. And once that quote-unquote demon is stopped, then tama, matakot ka sa sarili mo.
Anong kinakatakutan mo sa sarili mo? Anong kinakatakutan mo sa sarili mo?
Kinakatakutan ko sa sarili ko? Siguro, hindi. Magalit.
Tama ka magalit?
Hindi kasi ako marunong magalit. So, iba yung way ko kung paano ka nagagalit. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa akin pag na-reach ko yung rurok na yun.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Alan Policarpio.
True na I think it is nasa nature natin ng mga Filipinos na mahilig tayo mag-share, mahilig tayo magkwento, gusto natin nalalaman yung nangyayari sa kapitbahay. I guess that's also the reason why, diba, kanyari meron tayo mga talk shows before, hit na hit, because we want to know what's going on sa buhay ng kapwa-tao natin. And I guess that's deeply rooted doon sa psikolohiya natin, na yung malakas yung sense of kapwa natin eh. We have, a shared identity with everyone. So we feel everyone's our family, kakilala, ka-close, kahit sabihin mo nakapanood mo lang sila sa television. I guess that's something to explain why na mahilig, pero we are naturally curious of what's going on around us. And I guess, pag may mga bagay tayo na unknown, or let's say untold, dalawa lang naman yan eh. It's either it will spark more curiosity sa'yo, or it will elicit fear. Because diba, parang pag hindi mo alam, hindi mo siya makokontrol. And sometimes we
Future You for their final photo op. Thank you so much to everyone who joined us for Regal Legacy. And we hope you're all excited for our 3 films. We have Guilty Pleasure, Untold, and My Future You. you guys can feel free to do so until 6 p.m. Our booths will